Have you ever wanted to create a professional finance dashboard for a manufacturing company without spending hours designing it from scratch? So today in this video, I will show you how to generate a board level financial dashboard using Claude AI. And this dashboard includes executive KPIs, interactive charts, sensitivity analysis, and also like scenario analysis, all packed into a modern yellow and black design. Actually, the goal is to create a dashboard that a finance manager can present directly to the board of directors. The dashboard will contain key financial KPIs, revenue and profit trends, production and inventory performance, cash flow analysis, sensitivity analysis, and best case, base case, and worst case scenarios. So everything will be generated automatically using Cloud AI. So to generate the dashboard, you can use this prompt. I will write here, so act as a finance manager and a professional board of directors dashboard for a manufacturing company in responsive HTML. Use a modern yellow and black design and include key financial and operational KPIs, and at the top, revenue, profitability, and production, inventory, and cash flow charts in the middle, and sensitivity analysis plus scenario analysis at the bottom. And use a clean executive layout executive layout and interactive charts, and also realistic sample data, and modern styling suitable for board level reporting, and generate the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single file. So you can simply, write this prompt in your Claude AI, and you can see we can create a professional board of directors dashboard for a manufacturing company, and you can just press enter or click here, and it will take few time, and it will generate. Once you submit the prompt, the AI will generate a fully responsive HTML dashboard, and that will having like a fully responsive HTML dashboard, KPI cards, interactive charts, professional styling, financial analysis sections also. So you don't need to write a single line of code manually. Everything will be done by the Claude AI. So just wait few seconds and it will be done. So let's wait for a few seconds. We can pause the video here. Once it will done, I will resume it from here. So you can see it is working, like it's saying I will build this. Let me first get the design direction, then write the file. And for a manufacturing board dashboard in yellow or black, I'm leaning into an industrial control room static rather than a generic admin template. Perfect. Deep black panels, safety signal yellow as the signal, loud accent, tabular mono figures, the way a finance terminal renders numbers. So everything you can see here, and it is building it. So you can see it has been done. You can see done. Here is your board dashboard executive scorecard, financial performance, operations and liquidity, and you can see forward risk. Everything is here. So you can see like here, executive scorecard, net revenue, and everything is here, net profit, operating cash, production, financial performance. You can see revenue versus plan, profitability margins, operations and liquidity. You can see here, production, output, inventory position. See, everything is here. See, average selling price range, you can see. And this is, you can see bull case and base case, bear case, and you can see everything here. You can open in Google Chrome also. So you can see the dashboard is prepared perfectly as we want. We can see here. So it is in the downloads. You can, if you have, little bit knowledge of HTML, you can open this file in Notepad and you can add it. But if you don't want, you can simply tell to Claude to like change revenue, to change this thing, everything. If you want to change, so you can change. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.